morning. It's 6 a.m. It's a bit smoky here, but this is the reason. Actually, the forest fire smoke has cleared a bit. There's hardly any that you can see. You can see the smoke when you look toward the sun here. It's very red. So this morning, I got up at 5, and I brought all of my Nucs out of the honey house after having sat in there for 2 nights. I know I said I was going to bring them out Friday night, but I didn't. So they're safely set out here. And I'm actually going to take some of the stragglers back with me because they were bearding awful bad on Thursday when I moved Nucs, so I just left them. But because it's only about 17 degrees here this morning, they were mostly indoors. So I smoked them a little bit, and they scurried inside. Now I can pick them up and take them with me. So this is one example. This was the worst beard. A couple still flying around outside. But so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 5 here. I've already taken 2. So 7. That one's a weird one. I made a mistake. I moved that one over to the other side, and it depleted a lot of the bees. So then I moved it back over here to hopefully catch up some bees. I replaced a nuke with that, and I think it did pick up some bees. But now I got it over there, and it's in a poly box, so I need to figure that out. I just have to block the entrance, I guess. I should probably take that with me, block that entrance. Stick it in the honey house till Monday. So anyway, I'm sleepy. Stayed up Friday night, stayed up till well after midnight. Got a good solid 4.5 hours sleep. But it's so beautiful out here this morning. The smoker is looking good. The bees, they're not clamoring too bad. I just puffed a bit of smoke when I opened that door. So I've got the queenless ones kind of sitting all over here. And I'm not really sure what to do with them because I don't have very many queens left. And the reason I put them here is that if I divvy them up, if I take the bees out and move them or shake them out or whatever, then they're in the apiary and they're near other hives. They can maybe make a go of it that way. There's not a lot in there to use. There's honey, there's frames, there's comb. I can't just put the bees with any nuke. They might hurt the queen. That X one, I think that's a laying worker. These do not have check marks because they have no laying queen. The X is bad. So that's probably the laying with. This question mark is not sure what's going on in there. I'll have to check it again. So that's how the bee movement went this morning. Went really well. Really, really well. I'm kind of stalling because I'm enjoying this out here right now. It's very quiet. It's cool in the morning. It was a pretty warm day yesterday. So just kind of enjoying the apiary when it's not a complete madhouse. There's a lot of bearding even yet in some of these big hives, even at 17C. Well, today's another day. I might go and get a nap. It's either try and go back to sleep, which for me that's not going to happen, or start the coffee and let her rip for the day. I'll probably shut it down early. I'll be so tired. So anyway, just thought I would catch up on my last lengthy video about transferring these, etc. And so everybody have a good day, stay safe, and have fun.